Alright, I don't have time to get ready, but I'm doing a review on the chicken sandwich from Popeyes that everybody been talking about. I had to change my shirt. Alright, so we finally got the sandwich. He got his, I got mine. And we gonna try it because we've been fiending. Okay, he took the first bite because he can't just wait. How it tastes, babe? What do you taste? The spices? You gotta see. What is it tasting like? We see that it's kind of crooked. They try tying and shit. The pickles, the sauce, nothing up top. So, babe, come on, you ate
That
it.
bitch fire.
It's fire?
That bitch taste like Popeye chicken
For real?
on the sandwich.
Pass me my towel that's in there on the counter. Pass me my towel real quick that's on the counter.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I look like crap. Oh my god, I never have like a cute little moment on this thing.
Let me bite yours.
No, you don't need to bite mine. I'm about to bite mine. Tastes good. I like it.
I like it.
Good. I like the sauce. The pickle gave it a little kick.
I think it's mayonnaise.
The pickle, the sauce, it's not just, it's mayonnaise, but it's something else in it. It's good. 1 to 10. I'll give it a 9. Well, there we go, guys, because I prefer extra mayonnaise and cheese. So that'll probably make it a 10 for me. But I liked it. Rico liked it. And go check it out. But go support my mixtape when it drop. Like, y'all supporting these fucking chicken sandwiches. Y'all be turning me off sometimes. But I love y'all.
It really ain't spicy though.
The bitch probably got a regular one after we told her to get the spicy.
No. It's spicy, but it ain't spicy.
Oh. Alright, later.